Welcome to this Excel Updates video covering Copilot updates. We are using Microsoft 365 Excel for desktop in this tutorial. Earlier versions of Excel are not likely to have these features. Some of the features may also be found in Excel for web. Copilot seamlessly processes natural language prompts within Excel, eliminating the need to switch platforms. With minimal input, it provides suggestions and implements solutions directly in your workbook. A note before we get started: anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. Microsoft is continually updating Copilot. When we created this tutorial, Copilot was free for Microsoft 365 users. In Excel for Desktop, open the Excel Updates Copilot data file. We are going to start by talking about Copilot prompts. Navigate to the worksheet C01 and open the Copilot pane directly in Excel by clicking the Copilot icon on the Home tab. Autosave must be turned on in order to use Copilot in Excel, so click Turn on Autosave. In this worksheet, we have a list of employees in column A, and in column B, we have the training or trainings that each employee has completed. We are going to use Copilot in Excel to create new columns for the different trainings and to also note which employees have completed the trainings. When you first open the Copilot pane in Excel, it typically appears on the right side of the window. It provides a prompt box where you can enter natural language queries, allowing you to ask Copilot to generate formulas, analyze data, create summaries, or automate tasks. Initially, it may display example prompts or suggestions to help guide users in using its features effectively. In our example, we will prompt Copilot with the following: create new columns for each of the types of training topics and flag with Y if the person in the employee name column has completed the training. Copilot responds with a formula for each of the 4 new suggested columns, C through F. I'm just showing the first one here. After showing each of the 4 formulas, Copilot shows a window with the suggested columns. Hover your mouse over the plus Insert Columns button to see how the data will look with Copilot's suggestions. That looks exactly like what we were looking for, so click the plus Insert Columns button. Now we ask Copilot how we can sum the values based on whether the cell has a Y in the new columns. Copilot responds with a COUNTIF formula. Click the copy icon. Copilot won't always give the same answer to different people or at different times. You always need to check the answers, test them, and tell Copilot if it is wrong or only partially correct. Paste that formula in cell C12. Use the fill handle to copy the formula to the remaining columns D through F. Now let's look at Copilot Insights. In this example, we will use Copilot to find some insights about the data in worksheet C02. Prompt Copilot with Show me insights on this data. Copilot replies with a chart showing the average salary by performance rating. Let's get another insight by clicking the Can I see another insight button. Copilot replies with another chart, this time showing the frequency of salary. Let's look at all the insights by clicking the Add All Insights to Grid button. This time, Copilot opens a new worksheet with all the available insights. Now we are going to show another example of what Copilot can do. In this case, we are asking Copilot to help with conditional formatting. In worksheet C03, type the prompt, Highlight the entire row where performance rating is excellent in green. Copilot replies with a conditional formatting rule to review and apply. Click Apply. And here we see that Copilot has applied the conditional formatting. I encourage you to experiment with Copilot. Microsoft is continuing to update it, and its capabilities are rapidly expanding. What we showed in this video is just to get you started. Remember, though, to always check the accuracy of Copilot's responses. It can and does get things wrong frequently. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.